how this would contribute to the success is both for the school district looking for quality candidates and community members looking for employment. I think an event like this was a great start to that, to be able to meet people face to face, get to interact with them. So I think it's really one of those ideal win-win type of situations where we can be successful in terms of staffing our schools, while at the same point providing community members with the opportunity to gain maybe meaningful employment while also giving back to the school community.
Today at the job fair, I was at the food service table. Food service has several positions open. We have a substitute position, which primarily can make their own hours, and we have positions open at Elementary, Cedar Crest High School, and one of the important positions that we're trying to fill is the food service utility position.
I manned the custodian stand this evening. We have 2 custodial positions open in the high school. The other buildings are full staffed. Elementary schools have 4 custodians at each building, middle school about 9, high school has 13. 2 of those positions are vacant at this time. We had a pretty good number of people that came in this evening, so I don't think those openings will last very long. We are blessed that we don't have a lot of turnover in our department, in our custodial department. Most of the custodians have been here 20 plus years. The only thing we have coming on the horizon is those employees that have been here so long are looking at retirement. So in the next 3 to 5 years, we're going to have some turnover for retirees leaving. That will bring in some new people to fill those positions, but it hasn't been very difficult to fill those positions over the past couple of years. People tend to come here and stay here, and they enjoy the work and enjoy the culture of the school district.
Now, our next event that we'll be having will be in the spring. It is in the first week of March, and it's a Lebanon County Future Educator Open House. So we're excited about this one because this will be our second year with an event like this, but we've taken it to a whole new level. We will have all the Lebanon County schools, including the Career and Tech Center there. Plus, we're working on securing several different local colleges and universities that offer education programs, both high school students who are pursuing a career in education, thinking that's the path they want to go, plus maybe community members that either have a teaching cert and maybe have not used it, or they have a bachelor's degree and they're thinking maybe, it's in another field and education might be for them. So we're really tailoring this to a very wide group of folks who feel like education is a path or a calling that they might see in their future. So we're excited about it.